which I already discussed in last class. Okay, students, can you tell me when we come to college from home, if we stay in one place or move? Okay, when we come to college in car, if something comes in front, suddenly if something comes in front of the car and the driver brakes the car, then what happened with us? Who was sitting on the car? Yes, we move forward. Okay. Can you ever think about this? Why this thing happened with us? Change in motion. Okay. So, student, can you tell me what is motion?
Change in position of the object with respect to time.
Yes. Okay. Can you give an example of motion? Good. We observe in our daily life.
Moving car.
Yes. Good. Okay, students. Can anyone tell me the movement of child on a swing is called what type of motion?
It's periodic motion.
Why is called periodic motion?
Because the swings goes forward and backward in the same length and at the same time gap each time.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me there are how many types of motion are there? Yes. What are they?
Linear motion, circular motion, periodic motion.
Yes. Good. Okay. Can you tell me the motion of fan? Motion of the blades of a fan. What is called?
Circular motion.
Why is circular motion?
Because it's moving circular.
Movement along a round like a fan.
Yes. Can you differentiate between circular motion and periodic motion?
Circular motion is movement along a round path like a fan or bell. Periodic motion is that repeats at fixed intervals like a pendulum or heartbeat.
Can you tell me any object which shows two motion in one time? Can you give any example?
Wheel of a car.
How?
It moves forward as well as it goes circular.
Yes, if the path is in straight. Can you give an example of motion which you observe most often in your daily life?
Farming.
Can you tell me?
Walking because I move one place to another.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell any difference between straight motion and periodic motion? Straight motion and periodic motion. Can anyone tell me what is circular motion?
Circular motion is when an object moves around a fixed point in a round path, like going around in a circle.
Yes. Can you give an example?
Hands of a clock, they move in a round path.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me what is periodic motion?
Periodic motion is when something moves again and again in the same way and takes the same amount of time every time.
Can you give me one example?
Pendulum of a wall clock. It swings side to side at a regular time.
Okay. Can you tell me what's called straight motion?
Straight motion is when an object moves from one place to another in a straight path.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the basic difference between straight motion and circular motion?
Straight motion is when an object moves from one place to another in a straight path. And circular motion is when an object moves around a fixed point in a round path.
Okay, good. Okay, students.